Good day, guys. If you're new here, welcome and howdy. If you're old here, welcome and howdy. Moment of silence for the haters. That's enough. I want this Sharpie. There went my Copic fine liner in the floor. Okay. I thought my little bag would, okay. I don't know if I'm going to upload this or not. But I'm doing it just in case. I gotta do it anyway. Alright. Let's do this. I do have a piece of paper behind it, so. Okay. That's number 1. Wine red. Number 2. What's this say? Old red? Never heard of that before. Okay. That's number 2. Old red. Oh. Number 3. Is rose red. There's a Stephen King movie by that name and I just loved it. Number 4. Sorry. Is vivid red. I'm sorry, I couldn't hold it in. I have bad stomach problems. I could not hold that in. I could try to edit it out, but I don't know how to cut video out yet. It took me a year to learn what I've already learned. Number 5 is cherry pink. Reason I'm filming it is I've got to swatch these anyway, and just in case I need the content, I've got it. Okay. Number 6 is vivid pink. I am sorry about belching. But like I said, I got stomach problems and I can't hold it in. So y'all may not even see this because I did accidentally do that. Number 7 is carmine. It's a form of red. And it looks pink. This should have been red. This should be. Alright. Number 8 is rose pink. I love these. Oh, I love these markers. I really do. Only thing is, if you run out of one color, they don't sell them open stock, but that's not a turn off. Number 9 is plain pink. Okay. Plain pink. It is pretty. See how they go on dark and then they dry lighter than what they went on? Nine. 10. Deep red. Oh yeah, it is too. Number 11 is... Wait a minute. That said carmine. Number 7. Every time. Wait a minute. That says cosmos. Okay. Cosmos. Me and my old eyes. I can't see anymore. This is carmine. Number 11. And I'm sure of it. Old lady in her glasses. Yep. Yep, it's carmine. Oh. Ooh, that's a bright red. Now these are going to dry lighter than they go on. I've told y'all this. I don't know why I keep telling y'all. I guess for new people. Number 12 is coral red. I always thought coral was pink. I don't know. Okay. Number 13 is scarlet. But some of these, you know, like if you run out of one color, you could take like a pink and mix it with something. I don't know. Number 14 is vermilion. And that's an orange. I know that is. Well, it could be a red. I don't know. Looks orange. Oh. 15, geranium. Oh, it's a pretty color. Look, I'm shaky, and I'm staying in the... Well, I didn't up there, but... I'm staying inside the boxes. That's why I like brush. But then there's other people who shake and they say they can't use the brush. But there's coral pink. I thought it was a pink. They have a coral red too. Yeah, with me and my MS, and I'm shaky, and look at there. You can see me shaking. Oops. Got a little bit out there. Oh. Alrighty. 17, pastel pink. Looks pretty. Yeah, I was talking up there and let it get out the line. Well, like I said, even though I'm shaking, I can... Well, these are some bright, vibrant colors. Now, for some reason, they jumped from 17 to 28. Wait a minute, 28 is in the wrong spot. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then it goes from 25 to 27 and 28. Now, I don't know why that is, but in their coloring system, that's the way it is. Okay, number 21 is terracotta. I wonder if it'll match the Prismacolor terracotta pencil. We'll find out. It kind of, sort of does. I think it does. Okay. I don't know why the jump between 17 and 21, but it is. Number 22, French vermilion. A while ago, we had just plain old vermilion. Well, y'all can't even see that. Good Lord. Now you can see, I hope. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to upload this or not. Number 23 is orange. Just plain old orange. Oh, God, I'm trying to get this where y'all can see it. Trying to. Trying to get it up there. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. All right. 24. Is marigold. Oh, my back hurts. It's been raining and storming, and I have arthritis in my knees and my back, and does not feel good. Number 25, that's Pikachu's color. Number 25 is salmon pink. Nice pastel looking color. Ow. I'm going to end up knocking more stuff in the floor. You just watch. And I've got everything put up. And I thought when I put my stuff in my Pikachu thing, that now we jump from 25 to 27. I don't understand their numbering system. This is powder pink. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice pastel color. There's hardly much difference. Oh, it will when it dries, because it'll be lighter than that. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to upload this or not. Fruit pink. Yeah, it's going to dry. So I say, you got to wait till they dry before you know what they're going to look like. There. 28. Oh my God, my back hurts. And I have enjoyed being able to interact with y'all on picking the page. I love to interact with my peeps. Yeah. I've really enjoyed it. Now we're going to jump again from 28 to 31. Dark yellow. I don't understand their numbering, but yeah, that's a dark yellow. Yeah, I don't understand their numbering system, but maybe I'm not supposed to. I may not be able to sit here the whole time swatching these. Number 32 is deep yellow. I may have to do this in 2 parts, but I need to get them swatched before I start on the Celtic Cross page, which I haven't tallied up all the votes yet, but I have sure enjoyed interacting with you guys. I mean, that's what I like. That's what I like to do. I like to be interactive. Number 33, melon yellow. Yeah, I really need these swatched out before because I'm going to have to know what these look like to match the colored pencil for shading. And this is number 34, and it's just plain old yellow. Yep, plain yellow. Oh, like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to sit here with y'all the whole time. Cause my back do give in. Oh, number 35 is lemon yellow. Yep. Oh. Number 36 is cream. Yeah, I kind of have to know what these look like, because I know what I'm going to do. You know, I'm going to put my base layer down with markers, and then I'm going to do the shading and stuff with colored pencils. So I kind of got to know what these look like. Number 37 is pastel yellow. And I don't know I'm going to be able to sit in there with y'all while I do this whole thing, because I got to do 120 of them. I think it does 72 per page. I'm not sure. Okay, that was 37. Now it jumps to 41. And I put all these in order so I know they're right. Olive, green. I went through them and I put them all in order. Numerical order. And like I said, why they skipped some numbers, I have no idea. But it ain't bothering me. Alright. It's not a deal breaker. 42 is bronze green. It looks like a gray, don't it? But it says bronze green. Oh. 43 is deep olive green. Deep olive green. Oh, Lord, my back. Yeah, I'm hurting today because I got arthritis. Any other time I'd be fine. But like I said, I don't know if I'm going to upload this or not. Fresh green. Looks yellow. That's supposed to be fresh green. It doesn't look green to me, but it says it is. Number 45 is Canaria yellow. That's how they spelled it. Canaria yellow, which I suppose probably supposed to be like canary yellow. No. It's pretty. Oh, my back. Why? Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it doing the whole thing. I'll go as long as I can. 46. Vivid green. I love these colors. Look how bright and vibrant they are. With the Ohuhus, they weren't this bright and vibrant. Nope. They wasn't. Which leads me to believe that these are more pigmented than the Ohuhus. Number 47. Grass green. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to upload this. If I do, it's just for extra. And, okay. 48. Yellow green. I hope y'all can see this. Like I said, I haven't tallied up the votes yet on which page. I will get to that. Like I said, I've got to swatch out these colors first, so I'll know what colors I'm using. Number 49, pastel green. Looks yellow. Oh, 49. Oh. Like I said, I may not be able to make it through the whole thing with you, because my back is hurting bad. It's arthritis, so what number was it? 49. 50 is forest green. It's a nice blue-green color, like that. Number 51 is dark green. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Okay. I don't know how 51 got over there. Yeah, I do. 56, 59. Okay, where am I at now? 51. 52. Wait a minute. Yeah. Deep green. Oh, my back is so killing me. It's 52. 53 is turquoise green. Turquoise green. Even the dark colors are bright and pigmented. I mean, really. Number 54, Viridian. Let's go to Viridian City. That's a Pokemon song. What am I doing? Okay. $55 emerald green. Emerald green. Like I said, I have to swatch these. And I thought, well, I might as well just go ahead and film just in case. 56, mint green. Kind of dark for mint, ain't it? Alright. 57, and I'm going to quit here. I will swatch these out because I have to. Turquoise, green, white. So that I know what I'm doing on my Celtic cross stuff. You have to know what your base layer looks like, whatever color you're going to do it. So that's 48, I think. Altogether. So I don't think I'm going to make it, guys. Oh, geez. I'm trying to hang in there for y'all. Okay. Number 58 is mint, green, white. I'm trying, guys. I'm pushing myself because, you know, y'all are my fam. And I love my fam. And I try to do. That's 58. 59. Pine green. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm trying, folks. I'm trying really hard to do this for y'all, so y'all can see how bright, vibrant those are. I mean, they're just even the dark colors are bright and vibrant. I love these markers. Yeah, I do. I love them, and I wished I could sit here and do the whole 120 with y'all, but maybe one more. See, I'm doing this for y'all. Now, there's no 60. We go to 61. Which is peacock green. There is a Prismacolor named that too. Whether they're the same colors or not, I don't know. This is kind of a blue-green. Oh, into 62. Marine blue. And like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to upload this or not. If I do, it's just going to be an extra. '63 cerulean blue. I know Prismacolor has a cerulean blue too. Ooh, pretty. I like that blue. I do. I like them all. They're all just so vibrant. Even the darks stand out. Oh my God. I mean, I put my Lulus up. You know, I used to have them right here by my side. I've got the Sanjokis by my side now. They're the ones I've been using, but I do have to swatch these all. I just can't sit here and do it all at once. As soon as I get them swatched, we'll be doing the coloring page. Like I said, I still got to tally up all the votes. I've had fun being able to interact with everybody, and it's been fun. I like to interact with my subscribers. Some people don't like to. Indian blue. See, I'm still sitting here going. But I've got to swatch these because I want to use these because they are so bright. Number 65, ice blue. That sounds pretty. Like I said, even the dark colors are bright. They're vibrant. I don't know. I just can't say enough about these because they are so good. Number 66 is baby blue. There you go, baby dog. You got a color. I talk to my dog. Just like she knows what I'm saying. She knows when I say baby, because that's her name. Baby, you got a color. Yes, you do. You got a color. Alright, guys, I've got to stop, because if I don't, when I take my pain medicine, it's not going to do any good. They told me, you know, wait till it gets to hurting too bad. You take your medicine and it ain't going to do you any good. So, I tell you I love you. And you're my family. And I will get, as soon as I get these swatched and tally the votes, we'll be coloring on the Celtic crosses. So, I love you, fam. Peace out. Bye.